In this video, I will show you how to change your location using Proton VPN. But before we start, if you want a VPN with far more country options, faster speeds and stronger privacy features, I recommend NordVPN. It is a better alternative if you need consistent performance for streaming, gaming or browsing. You can find the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. First, download and install Proton VPN from the official website. Open the app and log in with your account. On the main screen, you will see a list of servers and a world map. With the free version, you can connect to the United States, Japan, or the Netherlands. To change your location, click on one of these countries and press connect. After a few seconds, your IP address will change to match the server location. If you want to switch to another location, click on Change Server button. It will choose a different country from the free options. There is a short cooldown before you can connect to a new server. If you are on a paid plan, you will see many more countries to choose from. To change your location, scroll through the list of servers or look at the map and choose the country you want to appear and click on the country name and then click the Connect button. Proton VPN will take a few seconds to establish the connection. Once connected, your IP address will change to match the country you selected. This means websites and online services will think you are browsing from that location instead of your real one. Changing your location can help you access region-specific websites or add an extra layer of privacy when browsing. It is also a simple way to protect your data on public Wi-Fi by routing your connection through a secure server. While Proton VPN works well for a few free locations, NordVPN gives you thousands of servers in over 100 countries, much faster speeds, and better unblocking for streaming services. For the best experience, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.